everyone. Today is Thursday. I am late today. It's 10:30 in the morning, and I woke up really late today. I was sleeping till I think 9:30. Rajveer was taking care of Annie. Now the right now the house looks a little bit messy. We are trying to settle down everything here, and then we will have breakfast. Rajveer, say hi.
Hello.
How was your day? What did you get from your office for Diwali?
I got this trimmer from my office.
Yes.
It's Philips Beard Trimmer 1000 series
Okay.
and one sweet box.
Yeah, he got panjiri as well. देखे देखो. Okay, and I am trying to do something special for Annie during this Diwali. I might go out to get new clothes for her. I had already bought a pair of shoes last month for her. So she's gonna wear that. Along with it, she's gonna wear. Oh, you're gonna keep the suitcases up? Yeah, go ahead, do that. I will straight away show you what I shopped for Annie, and also show you the building, how it's been decorated. Our house is not decorated as of now. I don't know whether it would be decorated at all, because ultimately the decision lies with my parents. It's their house, so I don't want to do anything against their will. So so that's it. All right, bye Rajveer. अच्छा नहीं नहीं, तुम काम करो. Annie, hi. This is सत्तू का पूड़ी, दिवाली स्पेशल. You wanna know who's been eating?
और ये हम खाना खा रहे हैं. ये क्या है? सत्तू की.
मैं दिखा चुकी एक बार, फिर भी दिखा लो. सत्तू की रोटियां हैं, पूड़ियां हैं, और उसके साथ अचार है और चाय है.
चाय थोड़ा दूर है.
लो
मेरे को ये कैसा लग रहा है खाने में?
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ लो ये अपना ले. आज फ्रेश लग रही हो. नींद पूरी हुई है ना?
थोड़ी बहुत. सुबह 6 बजे उठ गया था. सुबह नींद नहीं अच्छी.
नींद नहीं आई अच्छे से. दोपहर को थोड़ा सो जाना. वैसे हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कहीं जाने का. कहाँ चले?
कपड़े
वो तो है ही. फिर भी थोड़ा सा आनी को घुमा लाती नहीं. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं. बाहर का कितना अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है ना. मैं थोड़ा खोलना. बाहर का मौसम यहाँ से दिख रहा है. वैसे यहाँ का दिख रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है हिल स्टेशन है ना. हिल स्टेशन जैसा मौसम हो रहा है. कोहरा है पूरा. पॉज कर दो. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. We are going shopping, Diwali shopping. I'll get something for Annie for the house. We will get some lights, some decoration stuff, and yeah, I'll show you how Rajveer is looking. So I haven't dressed up much. It's a very simple kurta and just the earrings and one bangle on each hand. So you want to see how Rajveer is looking? Just a moment. This is how he is looking.
चेंज करना है अभी.
जाओ प्लीज. तुम ये स्लीपर ले आए हो और यहीं पे रखा है. हे भगवान, प्लीज चेंज करो फौरन. जाओ.
भी करना था ना.
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके बाय. Annie is upstairs with her grandparents and Rajveer right now is cleaning the car. फ़िलहाल हम आए हुए हैं, कहाँ आए हुए हैं राजवीर?
सेक्टर 86 सफायर.
Sector 86 Sapphire, 86 Gurgaon Sapphire, and we have parked our car. This is how it looks, Sector 86 Sapphire, right? There's a hotel here. What is the name of this hotel?
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn, right? Holiday Inn, yeah. So we have Lal Pet Labs here. A lot of brands have come here. This is close to our house, Sector 86. Yeah, this is close to our house. Now we are going in. Wow, what a beautiful statue. Can you all see the statue? हाँ, एनी के लिए शॉपिंग हो गया, बहुत अच्छा शॉपिंग हुआ है. दिस इज़ द शॉप, यहाँ से हमने शॉपिंग की है और बहुत अच्छे सामान मिलते हैं रीज़नेबल रेट पे. हमने 2 सेट ख़रीदे हैं, दोनों विंटर्स के लिए काम आएगा और आज उनमें से एक आज पहन नहीं पाएगी वो, क्योंकि वो बीमार है तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा काम झाम कुछ नहीं करना चाहते. व्हाट अ व्यू! वाओ, कैन यू सी? चलो लगाओ, वील वॉच. क्या देख रहे हैं हम अभी?
क्यूबिकल्स.
हाँ, TVS का है ना? नहीं, वायरल TVF सॉरी. सॉरी,
TVS बाइक है.
TVS तो स्कूटर है.
बाइक है.
She is one of my favorites. What's her name? She's a wonderful actor. What's her name? Now I'm making dinner. Chicken. Yeah.
ये क्या है?
अरे
तेल में नहाना है क्या सबको?
हाँ, तो आज के दिन थोड़ा सा तो रिच चलता है, थोड़ा सा. चिकन ये है, गरम हो रहा है. थोड़ा गरम होते ही मैं ये डाल दूँगी.
तो अभी एक जगह लाइट लगा दी है मैंने बाहर, और रूम के अंदर लाइट देखता हूँ कहाँ पे.
जैसे ही सूख जाते हैं तो ठीक है.
फिलहाल अभी रूम के अंदर लगाऊंगा. हेलो एवरीवन, हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू, टू ऑल आवर सब्सक्राइबर्स. सो ये मैंने लाइट लगाई है अभी हमारे रूम में. यू कैन सी. तो अभी विल गो आउट इन द बैल्कनी. यहाँ पे भी कोई शंख बजा रहा है. I have put all the diyas in the balcony. You can see down there also. पूरे फेंस पे लाइटिंग लगी हुई है. शायद हमारे नीचे वाले शंख बजा रहे हैं.
क्या है, दोबारा से बोलो. एयरप्लेन बना रही हो? एयरप्लेन स्वीट लग रही. देखिए कने you're trying to make an airplane. Wow. Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Happy Diwali once again to all of you, all my
Happy
viewers.
Diwali to all our subscribers.
All our viewers, all our subscribers.
All-
Please keep sharing my videos so that my subscribers increase. I don't think I'm that bad, a vlogger. I do deserve more subscribers, right? Because as I said, we really need it, to make it a profession. Okay, now, this year we are not celebrating Diwali as such, though the house has been decorated. Only the balconies and our room are decorated, and because Annie is still not well. Wow, this looks awesome, Rajveer. Very well executed. The idea was both of us' idea actually, and he has executed it so beautifully. I love it. It's really looking nice. And the only thing is that Annie is not well, because of which we are not going out. I thought once that we would go out and share the video of the outside lighting. The building is decorated amazingly. The entire apartment, as in the society, is decorated amazingly. However, because she's not well, and if I dress up and go out, she would want to come along with us, and we don't want that.
Actually, she's just recovered from her.
Dengue and typhoid both.
So there's a chance that we go out and mosquito will bite again, and
yeah, it could worsen the I mean, she's all right now. However, we don't want to
but
trouble.
she's very weak now.
Yeah, her immune system is really has gone for a toss, and she's anemic. We have to give her more and more of iron and rich food. So we are trying to provide her with that. She is also right now lactose intolerant, because of which we are not giving her milk or any milk product. So there are a lot of restrictions put on her, and that is the only reason we just wanted to keep it very simple this time. So we are eating at home. We have cooked the dinner. We are eating at home. And I hope all of you have a wonderful Diwali this year. And I hope that all of you prosper in your lives, and, be happy in your lives. That's the most important thing. Be happy and healthy. Prosperity will come to your door. Right? Okay. Bye, Sia. We'll end the vlog here. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Happy Diwali once again
Happy
from
Diwali.
both of us. Thank you.